Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make avocado and cucumber salad. This salad is very creamy and so refreshing. This is a quick and easy salad recipe. Let's get straight into the video. In a plate here, I have a cucumber and 3 avocados. I will go ahead, cut them and dice them into smaller sizes. If you're just stopping by for the first time, give me a like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. For this recipe, I'll be removing the seeds of the cucumber before cutting them into smaller sizes. Cucumber is cooling, crunchy, and so refreshing in your salads. For this recipe, you can dice your cucumbers into this size or even smaller. After dicing, I'll be transferring them into a clean bowl set aside. Wash your avocados and cucumbers thoroughly inside clean water and dry them with a clean towel before you start cutting and dicing. I'm done with the cucumber. It's time to cut the avocado pears. I'll first of all share it into 2. Deseed it and remove the seed, then cut them into desired sizes. The method I use to dice my avocado is to give the flesh a cut, mark the sizes I need, then pull off the flesh while the back is still intact. I'll be removing them little by little. Watch what I'm doing now. This is the right way and the best way to dice your avocado. Avocado pear is also known as the butter fruit. It contains healthy fats and a high source of vitamins. Soft, creamy, and very delicious. This avocado and cucumber salad is so easy to make. It is a great recipe. Your family will love it. Just give it a try. When I'm done with the avocados, I will then transfer them into the bowl and prep other ingredients which I'll be using to mix the salad. This salad recipe is perfect for every occasion and you can have it for lunch or for dinner. I love eating this salad a lot. I have some lemon juice here which I will drizzle over the avocado to prevent it from darkening. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use some vinegar. I'll be adding boiled eggs cut into smaller sizes. The next ingredient I'll be adding is onion, chopped and diced red onion. Some roasted peanuts. I'll be adding a dash of pink salt to enhance the flavor and taste. I'll be using a homemade cream to mix this salad, so let's make some. I have a small bowl here. And into the bowl, I will add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And into the bowl, I will pour some milk. Give it a good stir to thicken up. I'll be adding the whole milk. Then stir to mix and thicken. This is the simplest and easiest way to make a simple cream for your salads. Very healthy. This is optional. If you don't want milk, you can skip this. I'll be stirring it for 20 seconds to get the right consistency. Then we'll set it aside, bring back the bowl, and pour the cream on the salad. Avocado and cucumber salad is so easy to make, yet so cooling, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Gently, I will keep stirring to mix well and incorporate. If you like this recipe, try it out and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. You can also drop a video request in the comment section and I will gladly attend to it. This salad is looking so creamy, attractive, and appetizing, and it sure tastes delicious too. This is me saying a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Thank you. I love you all. Our avocado and cucumber salad is ready. If you like this recipe, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing easy food recipes. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.